Hey everybody, it's Forbes Riley, and you may recognize me as the queen of pitch from late night infomercials. I've sold a little over $2.5 billion worth of product. I know what works, and I have the honor of watching Amos on stage today. Now I can talk about Kenya all day long. Jumbo, Rana, how do I even know Swahili? I lived over there. There is a specialness to Kenya on this planet between the smells, the animals, the culture. And when I saw his smiling face, I was reminded of a place far, far away from the U.S. that is very special to my heart. He talked about charities that he works with, how he helps kids become better and believe in themselves and teach leadership skills. Well, I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a speaker who talks about leadership from the heart, who made me laugh and also reminds me that there is no black and white in life or in culture. We laughed about being black or white or yellow or green. And in today's day and age, when everyone's uptight about that, he made the entire room smile and realize that we are in fact one people. Whether you're born in Kenya, you're born in New York, you're born in Singapore, it doesn't matter. I loved his message, I loved his sensibility, and most of all, that man has a smile that lights up the room. I'm Forbes Riley, and I'll tell you what, you want to check him out.